Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel, I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So, let's begin. So, today we are going to continue with our number series 191 to 195. So, let's start. 191 is pronounced in French as 191. 191. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. 100 means 100. 4 times 20 means 80 plus 11. 11 means ons is equal to 191. 191. 192 is pronounced in French as 192. 192. 193 is pronounced in French as 193. 193. 194 is pronounced in French as 194. 194. 195 is pronounced in French as 195. 195. So let's revise these numbers one more time. 191 191. 192 192. 193 193. 194 194. 195 195. You can also watch shorts videos to learn daily French expressions. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.